Alright, Alfa Romeo and cartoon form fans. This one's taken a while for me to track down at a decent price. The Alfa 147 GTA. Says this toy was out in 2005. ST05 standard line. Picture of the real car there. Probably some information. Yeah, 24 valve, 3.2 liter V6, 250 horsepower. Yeah, I'm sure it was a pretty fun little car to drive. A hot hatch, if you will. So sadly, back in 2005, no one cared about the environment and just tried to sell you something with packaging like this. It's just so giantly wasteful. I will keep this though, I like to store stuff in it. Get some scissors here. There's like a hook thing here. Hooking the rear axle. There we go. So just pull it upwards. Yeah, I don't know why it couldn't just be that big. Strange. It goes into the trash. Alright, so here's some pics of this vehicle. Yeah, it looks pretty decent there. Here's the foreshortening. Decent amount of foreshortening. Here's a rear view, so exhaust only on one side of the vehicle. And then it does seem like it came with an optional set of, wheels like this. So let's take a look at this guy now. It's not a metallic red, just red. Alright. Yeah, the wheels, I don't know if they look exactly like the photograph, but there are a lot of spokes. It is blanked off though, because it is a children's toy that's meant to be played with this spring motor here. The tires are still quite soft. Well, the front ones feel harder. The rear ones are quite soft still. There's even, I think, a little lug nut detail in there, so that's pretty nice. The door handle here is nicely molded. Little tiny ridges for the door panel thing. But what's weird is there's no black paint right here for the B-pillar. Strange. There's no black paint at all. So like, what happened there? I mean, something in such an elaborate box would think they would have had black paint there. There's nice grill texture here. Tiny little orange paint here for these, I'm gonna guess, I don't know, turn signals. Silver and black in here looks good. The Alpha badge actually might be legible. Let's zoom in on this one. Look at that, the cross, the snake. I don't know about the text, but at least the shapes are there. And then we have a different type of grill texture in here. And the headlights are just clear with some silver back there. So that's a really nice front end. There's actually black printed on wiper blades here. So that's kind of weird. I mean, why would they take the effort to print wiper blades but not the black of the window molding in the frame? Strange. Alright. Taillights are kind of weird, It's nice that there's orange, but, well, I guess since the car is red, maybe that's a good choice. Or not. I don't know. That badge is still back here as well. That's nice. The exhaust tips are painted silver, and there's texture in here, so that's pretty good. Yeah, mold-wise, it's quite nice. It's just a little weird to not have the paint there. Standard construction, a screw and a tab. Oh, I see. Now, this is part of the base, but they did paint it silver. And this one, you can see the gears there. So the whole body is this clear plastic, and they just painted everything else around it. let's get this thing spinning here. Maybe later I'll add some black paint to those wheels. Maybe. Not right now, though. So I have a few other alphas in Choro form. Here's a really cool one. It's a ChoroQ 0, and it's an alpha police car of the Giulia Super. And then here's the regular, maybe a racing version. Alright. Here's an older alpha as well. Designed by Zagato. And I have 3D printed wheels and brakes on this one. Doesn't really say what it is, but this thing is from 2003, this toy. No black on the window molding on this one either. And no alpha badge, just a circle. Still, it's pretty interesting. Yeah, that's really it for the alphas. So these are kind of too classic looking. Let's compare it to some more modern vehicles. This is, I think, a concept car. So a different brand I'm going to throw out there is ChoroQ. ChoroQ makes great deformed vehicles because it can steer the wheels, and they actually have lens covers for the headlights. Very nice detail. Nice badge on that BMW badge. These are wind-up toys also. So, very good, ChoroQ. I really wish you made more castings. More often as well. Excuse me. And then another brand. We have, boy, I think this is Suntory? I don't even remember. This is a freebie that came with a can of coffee. But it's weird. They don't actually tell you what kind of coffee it's promoting. Possibly this is Kirin or Suntory, which are both coffees in Japan. These are Hot Wheels type of alloy wheels. Just random generic alloy wheels. So I gotta say, this has a lot of detail for a free toy. It's got paint details, you know, nicely molded details as well. Alright, I guess that's it. Let's get this guy spinning that sound. Alright, well, it was a different time. It said standard 05, so this is before ChoroQ Zeros, which have a lot more detail, you know, nowadays, but they also cost a lot more as well. So, this is an okay, you know, Choro. It's an interesting subject. I don't know if this is really a popular car outside of Europe. I'm not even sure if this is sold outside of Europe. So it's interesting, you know, some of the subjects that ChoroQ does. And it's nice that it's just, you know, Italian car, because mostly ChoroQ does is Japanese branded vehicles because they're a Japanese company. So, alright, well, I'll collect some more. Well, I'm not sure exactly what ChoroQ, but you know, if you watch my channel, there'll be more. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.